Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick, back again with a quick iOS update tip that could totally save your day. So, should you update to iOS 18.6? If you're on iPhone 10 or newer, the answer is yes, especially if you're still running 18.5 or earlier. iOS 18.6 doesn't bring flashy new features, but it does fix a lot under the hood. Apple patched over 20 security flaws, including WebKit bugs that could expose your data or crash Safari. It also fixes a known issue in the Photos app where memory videos couldn't be shared. And overall, this update improves system performance and stability, so you'll notice fewer slowdowns, less overheating, better battery life, and stronger Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular signal. That's a win in my book. Now, if we compare this to iOS 18.5, that version added some visible features like the Pride Lock screen wallpaper, screen time passcode alerts for kids' devices, and in-app purchases via iPhone on the Apple TV app. But iOS 18.6 goes in a different direction. It skips the new features and goes all in on security and polish. Apple literally says important bug fixes and security updates. That's it, no fluff, just fixes. A quick heads up, some users reported eSIM issues after updating, like losing signal or seeing no service. It's rare, but if you're using eSIM, back up first. Worst case, reset network settings or re-add your eSIM profile. Before updating, make sure your phone is over 50% charged, or just plug it in. You're on solid Wi-Fi, the install package might be big. You've got enough free storage, so clean up unused apps if needed. And seriously, back up your data to iCloud or iTunes before you start. Always good to have a plan B. During the update, your iPhone will restart a few times, that's normal. Just be patient and let it do its thing. iOS 18.6 might not look different, but under the hood, it makes your iPhone safer, faster, and more reliable. If you're into stability and peace of mind, go for it. If this helped, smash that like, maybe hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.